Well, it is cold out, but sun's shining. So let's go into the garage and get out of the cold. It's still cold in here, but oh well. Reason we are here today is this. I got in a trailer, a small trailer, intended to be a tire trailer. So here's the idea with the little trailer. I go to a RallyCross event and I cannot get 4 of these into the Mini. But I don't want to trailer the Mini because that seems kind of like a waste. You know, a race car gets a lot better gas mileage than a truck does. So I don't want to do that. And this is the best solution I can come up with. Build a little trailer, make it so I can mount 4 tires on it, drive to the event, change out the tires from the street to the gravels, do a day of racing, change them back, load up, head on home. I like that idea. So let's get the trailer unpacked and see what the hell I'm working with. So this particular trailer came from Northern Tool. I know there's ones at Harbor Freight that are way cheaper and probably would have been the right decision, but well, at least this one looks nice. It's black. There we go. These ones. This way. Come on. Okay. I'm stuck. There we go. We got here. Springs.
Launch.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, they come with the hub already on. Now this is a big thing. Right here. Maximum 55 miles per hour. So I've been looking at what I can do about that. One option is to try and replace the hubs. Come pre-bolted on, that's kind of odd. But that's one option, replace the hubs so that you just get better quality ones. Or replace the wheel, or both. I'm having a tough time finding hubs to replace this with. I believe these are a 12-inch wheel. I can get ones that are another inch bigger, which might help. I think when I did the math, it was something like it'll get me an extra 8 miles an hour with that extra inch diameter. But oh well, I'll figure that out. We'll just get this built first and then work on modding it after. Would a box cutter be easier? Yes. It'd be easy for me to grab one, yes too. Well, I'm not going to because I'm lazy. Okay. Lights. That's electrical. This is why you would buy a trailer like this instead of, just making one yourself. You see, these are actually DOT certified. You get a little bit of paperwork for that. Like, to take this on the highway, you have to register it just like you would any other trailer, but it keeps it legal. So that's the good part. And we're done. Here it is. And I just put those there as proof that 4 tires will fit across there no problem, because there's 3 of my 195s. So yeah, easily a 4th. If I want to take a 5th for a spare, that one I can put in the car, no problem. So here's the plan I'm thinking, is build a cage that kind of goes over, so kind of square shape here, square shape up here going in front. That'll keep anybody from being able to take the tires out. And then I can just use a ratchet strap to actually secure them. I don't want to use a bar through the middle, just because bouncing around and stuff, I don't want that actually damaging the wheels. There it is. Pretty easy to do. Scratch the hell out of it. Problem of working on concrete. Oh well. Some issues I've had with this is it came kind of dented up. Kind of see this here. Hopefully. Maybe. But yeah, that was dented. The paint quality is meh. It's very bubbly. Although I'm not worried about that and the scratches and all that, because I'm gonna have to add on to this structure, so you know I'm gonna have to paint anyway, so we'll just fix any scratches then. I'm gonna leave it at that for the night. Really not much left to do that I can do tonight, or today. I don't know, it's still winter, so days are short. Next big thing though is need to, on the Mini, put on a hitch to receive this. There's a few out there. That gets here. We'll also build the cage around the tires, and I think that'll be it. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, please subscribe. It helps a ton, and I'll see you in the next one.
Grab whatever.